Android manufacturers are lying to us. Uh-oh. Well, according to digitaltrends.com, Android manufacturers are lying to customers about security updates. It says here that some of them are lying to us, at least, about installing security patches. I will not read all of this. However, the most secure phones appear to come from Google, Samsung, and Sony. If you have any other type of phone, apparently it has missed one or two security patches. Not good. And Gmail is going to be redesigned according to ArsTechnica.com. It looks incredible. Add-ons let you use Google Calendar while writing emails. Genius! I've taken a look at this, and you know what? It does look pretty cool, so check out the latest Gmail. And finally, from Space.com, here we go again. Apparently, the end of the world is coming up on April 23rd because of Nibiru, which doesn't exist. Wait a minute. Didn't we have the end of the world back in 2012? So now it's going to happen again in 2018, right?